Hello everyone, is your Wi-Fi randomly disconnecting on your Windows 11 PC? That can be incredibly frustrating, especially during Zoom calls, gaming or streaming. But don't worry, in this quick guide, I will show you 5 simple and effective methods to fix this issue and keep your connection rock solid. For the first method, let's disable Wi-Fi power saving. Sometimes, Windows tries to save power by turning off your Wi-Fi adapter, and that causes disconnects. Here is how to stop it. Hit the Windows key on your keyboard and then type in View Network Connections. Once it pops up, click on it to open it. Now, select your Wi-Fi adapter and then right-click on it. Then you click on Properties. Under Networking, click on Configure. Go ahead and uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click on OK to apply the changes. This ensures your Wi-Fi stays active even when your laptop tries to conserve power. For the second method, set Wi-Fi network to private. Windows handles public and private networks differently. Setting your network to private can improve stability and performance. Here is how. Head to the right bottom corner of your taskbar and then click on the Wi-Fi icon. Then you click on the small arrow beside your connected network. Right-click on your Wi-Fi connection and then select Properties. Scroll up and then set the network profile type to public network. This helps Windows trust the connection more and avoids unnecessary security restrictions. For the third method, let's tweak adapter settings. These hidden settings can sometimes clash with your router. Let's fix it. Click on the Windows search icon and then type in View Network Connections. Click on it once it pops up. Select your Wi-Fi network. Right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter and then click on Properties. Under Networking, click on Configure. Then head to the Advanced tab. Look for 802.11n mode or similar. Set it to disabled. Then you click on OK. Disabling this can help if your network hardware isn't fully compatible with certain wireless standards. The fourth method is to restart and set WLN Autoconfig to automatic. The WLN Autoconfig service manages wireless connectivity. If it's not running correctly, Wi-Fi issues can occur. Here is how to fix it. Click on the search icon on the taskbar and then type in Services. Click on it to open it. Select any of the services and then press W on your keyboard. Now, you can scroll down and then find WLN Autoconfig. Once you find it, double click on it to open it. Make sure to set a startup type to automatic. And if the service isn't running, click on Start. Then you click on Apply. Then you click on OK. This ensures Windows handles Wi-Fi connections properly every time your system boots. Now let's conclude this video with the last method, which are bonus tips for stable Wi-Fi network. Make sure to keep your Wi-Fi drivers updated via Device Manager and place your PC closer to the router to reduce signal dropout. Also switch to the 5 GHz bands for better speed if your router supports it, and then also avoid signal interferences from other electronics or tech walls. That's it. With these fixes, your Wi-Fi should be much more stable, faster and reliable. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or tips of your own. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.